Hi everyone, welcome to the International Space Station. I'm Akihiko Hoshide and we're here during Expedition 65 and
I'm Megan McArthur, one of the flight engineers for the mission. And you probably know we have a cargo mission coming up real soon, SpaceX 22. And I'm excited to see what that's going to be like. I think it's going to affect our pace and everything that we've got going on. Aki, you've seen this before. You captured actually the first cargo resupply mission from Dragon about 9 years ago. So tell me, what was that like?
Yeah, 9 years ago. That's a long time ago. Well, that was my first time to actually capture a cargo vehicle with a robotic arm, and so it was a horrifying 2 minutes, holding my breath and trying to capture it without making any mistakes.
This cargo Dragon will be actually a little bit different. So what's different about this one?
This time it's just going to dock, so without the help of the robotic arm, it's going to automatically dock to the International Space Station.
And of course, it will be similar to our crewed vehicle that we came up in, so everything should look pretty much the same. Just there won't be people, there'll be cargo and a lot of science experiments. Some of the science samples will arrive in powered payload lockers, so they can be frozen temperatures. But some of the samples will arrive in this cooler type of bag, which is called a double cold bag. It's a super insulated bag, and we put ice bricks in there along with the samples to keep them at the right temperature. So I'll show you what that looks like. Oh, looks like we have a stowaway. These are the ice bricks, and they can maintain a temperature between -32 and +37 Celsius. They're just room temperature right now, or I wouldn't be holding them with bare hands. But you can see we would fill that up with the ice bricks as well as the samples. We also send samples home this way, and they have a certain amount of time that they will stay at temperature before they're recovered by the team on the ground. You know, I'm excited about the tardigrades. I told you about the water bears, super excited about that. They're little microscopic creatures that can survive in extreme environments. And the cell science 4 experiment is looking at what can we see by looking at their genes? How do they survive and adapt to extreme environments? And then the hope is that that information can be used to look at stress factors in humans when we're living in space. Another one I think is really exciting that has benefits both for us in space but also on Earth is a new ultrasound experiment, the butterfly ultrasound, and it's looking at portable ultrasound technology with mobile tech, some really exciting stuff that kind of covers a big spectrum.
Yeah.